your boots bent under.
Weights on the left foot. We start with our cross, rock, side, rock, cross, rock, side, shuffle. Now the left foot, cross, rock, side, rock, cross, rock, side, shuffle. Jazz box, quarter turn to the right, and again, jazz quarter turn to the right, vine 3 steps with a touch, and your reverse turn quarter, half, quarter turn scuff. Let's try it again, face the front. We're going to do it with the count. Cross rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 4 tags with this dance, end of wall number 2, 4, 6, and 11. It'll be happening at the back, the front, the back, and then at the 9 o'clock direction for the last one. All we simply need to do are 2-step claps. We're using our right foot. After your scuff at the end of the dance, we step forward on a very slight diagonal, step, touch, clap, back, touch, clap. Now when you do the back clap, we don't want to square up those shoulders. We want to keep them open on that left diagonal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're ready to start with your cross rocks again. We're now going to run through this dance section by section. So if you need to jump ahead or come back at any time, you can use the chapters in YouTube or the fast forward button. Face the front, we're going to do section number 1. Weights on our left foot, we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to do 3 rocks, cross rock, side rock, and a cross rock again, all with the right foot. Cross rock, recover your weight, side rock, recover your weight, cross rock, recover your weight. Side shuffle to the right, step together, step. Let's try that again with the count. Cross rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're now going to do section 2. This is exactly the same as the first section, however, we're on the left foot. Face the front with me, let's do section 2. Weights currently on your right foot. We're going to cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, cross rock, recover, side together, side for our shuffle. Let's do that again with the count. Weights on our right foot, cross rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've now completed the first 2 sections of the dance. We're going to run through section number 3, and that is a double jazz box with a quarter turn to the right. Face the front with me. Let's do section 3. Using our right foot, we cross over 1, quarter turn back on the left, side with the right, together with the left. And we're going to repeat that again. Cross the right, quarter turn left, side to the right, together with the left. Face the front, let's do that with the count. We have 8 counts, 4 counts per jazz box, crossing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've now completed the first 3 sections of the dance. We have 1 to go. We're going to vine to the right and reverse turn to the left. Now there is a non-turning option for anyone out there that wishes to do a non-turning option, but we're going to teach you the standard version. Now we are going to face the front. You are facing the back when you do section 4 for our first wall, but I'm going to turn around to the front so you can see what needs to happen. So face the front with me. Let's do section number 4. Vine to the right, side, behind, side, touch together. To finish up, we're doing a reverse turn, which means we're traveling left, we're rolling back right. Now we do need to end up to our left wall. To get there, quarter turn back with the left foot, we bring our right foot around, making a half turn, step your left foot forward, and then do a little scuff, end of dance. Let's try that again. 3 steps to the right for the vine. 1 step, 2, 3, touch together, back, half, step, scuff. Let's do it with the count. Vine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as I mentioned, there is a non-turning option. So if you really don't wish to do that reverse 3/4 turn, you're going to fill that gap the other way and do a 1/4 turn, which would simply be vine to the right with a touch and vine with a 1/4 turn left and scuff. That option would take it down to a very basic beginner dance, or for a non-turner from that suffers from vertigo or any other reason. There are 4 tags with this dance, end of wall number 2, 4, 6 and 11. It'll be happening at the back, the front, the back, and then at the 9 o'clock direction for the last one. All we simply need to do are 2-step claps. We're using our right foot. After your scuff at the end of the dance, we step forward on a very slight diagonal, step, touch, clap, back, touch, clap. Now when you do the back clap, we don't want to square up those shoulders. We want to keep them open on that left diagonal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're ready to start with your cross rocks again. I hope you enjoy this dance. This is called Whose Bed by myself, Joshua Talbot.